Hi, my name is Jon Schneider with hdrental.com, and we're a camera support rental house here in the Los Angeles area. And today we're shooting this video at Transfilm in Burbank. Transfilm services all of our equipment, all of our pedestals, all of our heads, and it's an amazing service. And let me give you kind of an explanation on why. And I guess the message also of this video today is that when you rent pedestals from us or heads, they're going to come fully serviced, fully working. They're going to get there wherever you are in the United States or Canada. They're going to get there on time, working, and with all of the parts that you need. So we guarantee that. But one of the ways we're able to guarantee that is we have a great service center here at Trans Video. And let me give you an example of that. So we rented our pedestals. We rented 6 pedestals to the concert at Coachella. We rented it through another rental company, but they were on the Coachella concert. And as you know, if you know anything about Coachella, it's a concert out in the desert and there's dust everywhere and kids partying, blah, blah, blah. But after the concert was over, we got our PEDs back and they were completely covered with dust, not only on the outside, but there was dust on the inside of our columns here. And obviously they were grinding and weren't working. So normally what I would have had to do back in the past is I would have had to take these 6 pedestals and ship them back to Vinten on the East Coast to get them serviced. The shipping would have cost me close to $4,800. Also, my PEDs would have been gone probably for 2 to 3 months. And the other thing is, as many of you know, that when you're dealing with large manufacturers, you can't talk to anybody about your equipment. You want to know, okay, do I need parts? When's it going to be done? How bad is it? Can I come in and look at it? You can't talk to a technician. Being able to talk to a technician is really important when you have equipment and you need to get it back. And that's what we get when we deal with Transfilm. And let me bring in the owner, George of Transfilm. And hi George. So let's tell a little bit about some of the products that you guys service.
So we repair everything under the camera. So basically the support, you know, we repair Sachtler, O'Connor, Vinten, actually also Cartoni, Miller. We repair also gearheads like Harry.
And it's important to note, George, too, that you're authorized by these. You're not just out here servicing.
Yes.
You're authorized by these manufacturers.
Yes, yes.
And again, as I mentioned before, that Vinten used to have an authorized. They had their own service center in Chatsworth. That's gone now. If you want something serviced for Vinten, it's goodbye. It's going to the East Coast. So George is authorized by Vinten. So.
Yeah, we are the authorized dealer for them. Only one in the West Coast. So
yeah, that's another thing. George also sells all of the products. Explain Vinten and some of the products that you.
So we sell everything under the camera, like tripods, pedestal, heads. We are dealer also by for Anton Bauer and Lite Panels. Basically, it's one big company. It's called Videndum. What it's on everything. So
which used to be Vitec, but
yeah,
they changed their name.
Yeah, it's changed the name. So also Teradex, Small HD.
Right.
We are dealer also for filters for Schneider and Tiffen,
yeah.
and more and more and more. So
yeah, and one quick story is that we recently bought 2 teleprompters from George, the Autocue, which is owned by Vinten. And the first thing George did for us, we are buying them new, but the first thing he did was he called the manufacturer and asked if he can get B stock. So George has a lot of deals here. He has used equipment here, but he also has B stock. And again, you can talk to George. I can walk in the back door and say, George, I need these pedestals to go out to Atlanta. Can you service them? Do you have this part? He's here. I can call him anytime, night or day, and say, George, I need this. Can you help me? That's gold. That's amazing. So, George, we appreciate your service. And I don't know if I could be in this business if I had to ship these back to Atlanta and wait 3 months to get them back. If these were gone for 3 months, I'm out of business.
Yeah, the priority for us is to repair fast everything. Everything what is repaired from us is coming with 90 days warranties. We answer in the phone. Every time if you contact us by the email, by the phone, we answer to you. We try to do the best. We are one of actually the first repair shop in US over 30 years in
yeah, you've been in business for over 30 years.
Over 30 years, yeah.
So to all my clients out there, I highly recommend George and Transvideo. If you see below, we'll have his phone number and his website. So if you need any of you, and if you're a DP in a jam, you got your O'Connor, it's not working, you got to shoot on Saturday, it's Thursday night, call George. Who else are you going to call? So George, thank you.
Thank you, John.
For all your support and all your service.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for keeping us in business.
Thank you.
And thanks everyone for watching this video. And again, Transfilm, give them a call. Thank you.
Thank you.